Hello, this is Joan of Art. I'm here in front of a huge mahogany tree. It's about 40 years old, maybe, or 50 or more, and it's so old. So it has a bark that is covered with lumot. In Ilonggo, we call it lumot or moss in English. And the bark, we don't really have a word for bark. We call it skin. So skin is panit. This is the panit of the mahogany tree. And what I do is I remove the panit or the bark of the tree. So the act of removing is also panit. The same. So I love doing this. I don't know why. Somehow it gives me a strange feeling of satisfaction just removing the bark of the tree. So we call it in Ilonggo PANIT. And I don't know why um, I'm removing this. Okay. I don't know why I'm removing this, but it just gives me a strange kind of satisfaction. Just removing this. Actually, during the dry months, during the summer months, the locals would remove the bark and use it for firewood. But I think this is good for a potting mix. I would like to chop them and mix them with my potting mix for my garden. And so this big tree, will have a new bark. See, from the old DAAN in Ilonggo to the new bago. There you go. This is the dry one. Yeah, they use this for firewood, actually. So this is Joan of Art with your Ilonggo word for today: panit, daan, and bago. And what else? Yeah, bark of a tree. Just panit. Oh, moss, lumot. So those are the words to remember for this episode. See you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.